going to talk about energy. So when we say ATP, so this is what we refer to in the ability to use energy within a cell. So we're going to use energy and ATP to talk about how our cells get energy and how we use energy in our body. So energy is the ability to do work and is needed by all living things. So again, this is essentially how cells are going to process, how cells are going to reproduce, how they're going to carry out all of those different tasks. So when we say ATP, that is cellular energy. So that's what our cells need in order to reproduce, in order to carry energy, in order to, make our muscles move and help us breathe. Everything that our body needs to do is going to come through that cellular energy, that ATP. All right, so when we talk about energy, it's all going to start with photosynthesis. So photosynthesis, like in plants, are going to be our producers. So the process of photosynthesis actually stores energy. So we've looked at our photosynthetic equation before in chemistry. We're going to look at it again now. So we have 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of water are actually going to combine or react using light energy, so from the sun, to create one glucose molecule and 6 molecules of oxygen, so 6 molecules of O2. So this is our photosynthesis equation. So we've got carbon dioxide and water along with energy from the sun are actually going to create our glucose and our oxygen. So this is the basis of all food chains. So all food chains are going to start with a producer organism, so something that can make its own food through photosynthesis. All right, so when we talk about cellular or aerobic respiration, so this is going to be how our cells use energy, and this is actually going to release energy. So photosynthesis stores energy, cellular respiration is going to release energy. So we've got the same equation, but it's in reverse. So instead of starting with carbon dioxide and water, we're going to start with that glucose molecule and our oxygen, and that's going to create ATP, or that's going to use ATP, that ATP energy, cellular energy, to create carbon dioxide and water. So this is going to take place within mitochondria. So that mitochondria part of the cell, I always talk about mitochondria being, mighty mitochondria, that's the powerhouse. That's actually because they are going to use that ATP energy to make this conversion process happen.